Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove cart on Temu. To add or remove cart on Temu is a simple process. For that, you need to open your Temu application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you're logged into your Temu account. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now tap on U option present on down. After this, tap on the setting icon present on the top right corner. Now here you'll be able to find the option of your payment methods. Tap on your payment methods. Now the only payment method that Temu has is the card. Now here tap on add a credit or debit card option. After this, here you need to enter the card information. At first, you need to enter the card number on the given box. Similarly, you need to enter the expiration date of the card on the given box. After you select the month and year, tap on Save. With this, enter your CVV on the given box. After you do so, now here, you can enter your billing address if you want. After you provide all the information, now once view through the Temu card protection information, after you view through all the important information, tap on Add your card. With this, now your payment method, that is your card, will be added on Temu. Now you'll be able to find card that you have added on credit and debit card section of your payment methods. To remove it, you can tap on the card present and then you'll be able to find delete option. You need to tap on delete. With this, you'll be able to remove the card from Temu as well. This is how we can add or remove cart on Temu. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.